Hey Biggies, I'm delighted to say that we have yet another live show coming straight at you through your telly, through your mobile phone, through your desktop in just a couple of weeks. In fact, the 2nd of April, Friday the 2nd of April, we are endeavouring on what might just be the most ambitious digital beer festival ever created in association with Siren Craft Brew. Siren Craft Brew are one of the most experimental and one of our favourite breweries in the UK, and they're celebrating their 8th birthday this year. Now, 8 isn't exactly the biggest anniversary when it comes to birthdays, but Siren have really pulled out all the stops to make it the absolute best and to have a huge last hurrah before hopefully life starts to go back to normal. So not only have they put together a live taste along box, which I'll talk about in a second, which you can buy, they've also put together what is essentially the closest we'll get to a real beer festival in the next couple of months. And they've done that by putting together loads of different stages, and the Craft Beer channel will be hosting one of those stages on the 2nd of April. Now on that stage we're going to have loads of amazing stuff. We're going to have a panel all about what independence and the craft beer scene looks like after COVID. We're going to have taste-alongs, we're going to have special tastings, we're going to teach you how to taste like a beer judge. We're going to do cook-alongs. You can cook burgers at home along with us and get involved, all while drinking some beautiful beers that Siren have either brewed specially or beers that they brew every year and have decided to release right now. So to pick up the taste along box, all you have to do is head to Siren's website, and there's a link below in the descriptions box. But coming in that taste along are some absolutely beautiful beers. The highlight for me has to be the 2020 version of Maiden, which I'm really excited to try. This was the first beer that Siren ever brewed. There's still threads of that beer in this very bottle in every batch that they make across lots of different like rum barrels, tequila barrels, all kinds of things. And that will be coming in the box to try. It's a very special beer. But there's also some ones brewed specially for this event, especially for this time of year. There's Bones of a Sailor, an Imperial Porter, and then there's this beauty, the Grateful 8. See what they did there? Now this beer is almost kind of crowdsourced. When they decided to host this festival and they decided to brew some special beers for it, they asked the public what they thought Siren should brew. Now we've learned the hard way that it's dangerous going to the internet asking what to brew, and sure enough the public came back saying we want a double New England IPA. Of course you do, of course we do. So I'm going to crack this while I tell you about it. So this is a beautiful double New England IPA. I can already smell the stone fruits leaping out from here. Yeah, apricot yogurt and mango. So far, so New England IPA. But what's really cool is that Siren, you know, they know that they didn't get this far 8 years in without help from the amazing craft beer community. And so when they went out online to ask what they should brew, they also decided on the can to put the names of everybody that's helped them along. So if you peel this tab off, you can see all the people that have helped them along the way. And I think that nothing demonstrates what a beautiful festival this is going to be than a gesture like that and a beer like that. So make sure you pick up the taste along box from the Siren Craft Brew website. Make sure that you join us on the 2nd, whichever stage you choose to watch, and there's going to be lots of other pre-recorded stuff you can watch during the day as well. So pick up that box from Siren and we will see you on the 2nd, dipper in hand. Cheers.